Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the revision of your political science lesson, power sharing. Now, in power sharing, we can start this revision with the help of example of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. When we are talking about Sri Lanka, we can find the religion. In Sri Lanka, the majority people are of Sinhala speaking community and they belong to Buddhist. Most of the Tamils are Hindus or Muslim. When we are talking about Christianity, 70% population belongs to Christianity and they are from both, that means Tamil also and Sinhala speaking community also. When we are talking about geographical condition, Sri Lanka is an island nation of the southern coast of Tamil Nadu. So population you can find that Indian Tamils are also there. When we are talking about the size or population, it is near about same to Haryana, about 2 crore people. And when we are talking about ethnic composition, 74% Sinhalese speaking people were there. 13% you can find they are native from Sri Lanka and they know Sri Lankan Tamils. At the same time, 18% Tamil, they are speaking Tamil language. And the remaining rest of the people, they are Indian Tamils who are descendants of plantation workers during the colonial period. Means during British period they are migrated towards the Sri Lanka. Now come to the next nation, that is Belgium. When we are talking about Belgium, geographical position of Belgium, you can find it is small country, small European country, and neighbors of Belgium, Netherlands, France, Luxembourg and Germany. You can find their ethnic composition, 59% people they are belonging to Flemish region and spoke Dutch language. 40% they are belonging to Wallonia region, they are speaking French language. 1% Belgians speaking Germans. And when we are talking about capital, the capital of Belgium, Brussels, you can find 80% French speaking community was there and 20% Dutch speaking community. Dutch speaking people, they are in minority and some of them they are living in the area where majority is there. The majority community were given benefits much later. Now, what is the impact of that and why we want to study power sharing? Now we are going to discuss about that. Now let's come to the Belgium and Sri Lanka. Power sharing is very spirit of democracy, all of you know it. Belgium is a small country of Europe. 80% people they are speaking French language and remaining rest of 20% they are speaking Dutch language. But you can find no problems were there in Belgium as compared to Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the problem of majoritarianism was there. Sri Lanka has a diverse population, 74% Sinhala speaking people, 18% Tamils people, and 13% they are Sri Lankan Tamils. The rest of them they are Indian Tamils. In 1956, Sinhala was recognized as the only official language of Sri Lanka, and because of that, problems started. 1980, several political organizations were there. They formed demanding an independent Tamil elam, that means state, in northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. Now, what is the problem behind it and why power sharing is important? Why it is important or why it is desirable? Power sharing helps reduce the possibility of conflicts between the social group and brings about the stability in political order. An intelligent sharing of power among legislature, execute and judiciary is very important to the design of democracy. Now, which are the forms of power sharing? Power share among different organs of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. Ministers and government officials exercise the power. Power may also shared among different social groups such as religious and linguistic groups. In a democracy, the citizen must have freedom to choose among various contents of power. I hope you understand it. Revise the chapter. Stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye.